My name is Kevin Wells, competition director of Formula Drift. We're out here at a sold out round 6 in Seattle, and we're here with Matt Sopa, and he's gonna start it off.
Let's go.
Oh, she's stanced a little bit. Is it shock fluid?
Shock broke, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be able to roll on here?
We'll have to put a skid underneath it, just let it hit back against the car while I'm driving her on. Muscled it off the wall, just barely. You were pinned, that's for sure.
Need to pull the brake or what?
These skates are wider, man. Hell shit. Yeah, she's walking pretty good.
We saw just plastic fly everywhere.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah.
I tried to save it, but something felt weird when I came off the bank and it threw a bunch of angle. And I hit the outer 3 and it messed me up. I almost zeroed, but I think I saved it.
Yeah.
So keep complete a run at least.
Got a jack stand somewhere? Oh, fold the tabs in?
Yeah, right here, the tabs are in, so even if we do get it out, we won't be able to get a new one in.
You can't bend that tab back?
No.
No back is out. All right, ready? Doing it.
Look at that guy. When I'm born again, I want to be him. I want to be him. I want to be him.
I bet.
Chrome gym suit.
I bet he would rather be you driving a Ferrari. Just throwing it out there.
Ciao!
That's pretty damn thin.
I mean, that's not bad. I mean, that's probably chrome moly. So.
Right, but still, it's just very thin for something that doesn't necessarily need to be that way.
Right. Well, especially to dissipate heat.
Yeah.
So what happened today?
Well, let's start off with a good thing. Yesterday, we killed it in the seating bracket. We won. So we got our first official battle win yesterday, and then topped it off with winning the seating bracket. So I was stoked.
5 minutes.
Touched a tire on the wall, and it just pulled the whole car in. And we've had to replace every corner of the car pretty much. And now we're rolling into this, and it's not looking great for us.
You're gonna be all right?
We're not going to make it. So
Oh, okay.
It's just where the car well.
I'm guessing the exhaust brake. I'm guessing just the exhaust brake. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. But they're already here, which means you already called your car. I can't be like, oh, never mind, now that you look at it, go back. You know what I mean? Exhaust broke?
Yeah.
What do you need? What do you need? Tell him not to touch it, or come here.
Good. Crank it up. Crank it.
What's our time?
Crank it up. I want to make sure it doesn't fly off. Crank it up.
Go! Go! Alright.
Are we good?
Yeah. Kick ass, man. That's wild. That's just the clutch, huh? Wow. Alright.
You have to do one in the sun, right?
Alright, 45 seconds.
Let the car down. Coming down.
The deck's ready to come. Alright, let go. You guys ready to do this or what? Alright, let's go party. Yeah, you doing it in the rear?
Yeah, I was just going all the way around to see if anything was leaking.
Nope, can't touch it.
Okay, okay.
That's what I was gonna say. I won't bleed a single thing.
Yeah. No.
Okay.
All right. Turns on the ground. Should be. Oh, just turned it off.
Yep.
4 minutes.
Yeah, I can give an off report off camera.
4 minutes.